How to make doubles. Step 1. Making the bara. Ingredients: all-purpose flour, yeast, turmeric, sugar, and salt. Pour into a large bowl. Add lukewarm water, mix it all up, and slowly knead it away. Add in a little bit of water as needed. Now, be very mindful. You do not want this to end up too soft or hard. Knead until it's manageable. Transfer it to a flat surface. Add a little bit of dry flour, and keep kneading it in until it gets into a ball shape. Add a little bit of oil to keep it soft, and so the air doesn't get the top crusty. Now, the dough is ready. You can make it into smaller balls. The small balls will then be stretched out. Add a little bit of oil on the counter and flatten out each ball until they are very thin. Heat oil on the fire, and add the flattened dough to the hot oil. When they rise, you flip them, and flip them twice, and then they are done. Step 2. Chana is next. This is a mild chickpea curry. What you need is chickpeas soaked overnight, or you can use tinned chickpeas. Chop up finely spring onions, coriander, garlic, add chili, turmeric and some cumin. In a pan, add some oil and heat it up. Add everything in, and let it fry for about 4 or 5 minutes. Add some more hot water, and let it fry again. Then, you add the chickpeas in with some more water. Let it boil together. It takes about 40 to 45 minutes. Add some salt to taste. Step 3. You need condiments: cucumber sauce, pepper sauce, and tamarind sauce. Step 4. Fit it all together. Lay the bara, the chana, and the sauces. Step 5. Enjoy your doubles.